Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to see the working of short range radar in the Code Composer Studio. First with GUI visualizer and then without GUI visualizer, as it is a hard coding and a standalone working configuration. So let's see in the code. Is code for MSS code. We just want to first right click the DSS and then click on the rebuild configuration, rebuild project. First DSS and then MSS, that is a way of like that. Let's wait for the completion of building. So after building the DSS, we have to go for the building of MSS. So the build of DSS is finished, and let's click for the MSS and rebuild the project. It will also take some time. Let's wait for it. We are just building that code, so it is we are not making any changes in that. I have already imported these two from the resource manager. So the building is now finished, and we have to connect that radar board in SPO2 configuration. Just start the unit flash. When the board is connected, it automatically detects here. Yeah, it's detected AWR1642 boost. Let's start with it. And in the settings and utilities, you have to mention that COM ports. Here it is mentioning the UART port. Just check it here. Device manager, go for the ports. UART port is 7 and data port is 3. Just mentioning port 7. Then on program, tick on the metaflash and browse for the binary file. Here the binary file is situated in C inside users and the workspace. You just have to check for your workspace, and in debug you just see that SRR-GUI is binary file. Just open that, then just go for load image. This will take some time for loading, and we just see that its progress here. So first it will erase the storage completely, then it will flash that image. Erase storage commit successfully. you have to make sure that the board is in SPO2 configuration, that we have to connect a jumper which shorts the SPO2 pins. Yeah, the program is completely loaded. Now we just search for the GUI, and the GUI is situated in our files. Just CTI inside radar toolbox. The tools is there in visualizers, SRR-GUI. You can see the visualizer. Just double click it. It will say around 15 to 30 seconds. We have just wait for it. Yes, okay. Now here we have to mention our UART port, like we already see in 7, and data port as 3. Just click OK. You just wait for it. Could not open port 7. Yeah. Once again we will take that. Just repower the device. Okay, after flashing we have to take out the SPO2 configuration. Unless it will not work. Just remove the jumper connected in SPO2, then power the device again. Now go for SRR visualization. So for only flashing that image we need a SPO2 configuration. 7 for 3. Here we can adjust the velocity, the range in meters, and that width. Here is showing the width, and here showing that range. We can also select that orientation with respect to car. It's normally configured in degrees, and we just call for the default configuration. It will open. Yeah. Now it's going for the detection part. So this is the normal operation of short range radar with GUI visualization. We can customize the options here, like parking, near view, and all that. And if you experiencing this lagging issue, just go for the task manager and make the priority as high in this. So now we are going to see how to hard code this configuration and work alone without the GUI visualization. So for that, actually the hard coding is actually already done in the header files. It's already inbuilt in these header files like SRR-120.s. Just go for common. Here we can see 3 header files, 120, 80 and 20. In these header files, that hard coding commands are already written. That configuration is already written here. So we don't need to add any more hard code configurations. So usually we will do like changing the makefile and adding some commands for hard coding configuration. Now we don't need that. We just need to modify the initial function. So in order to send the configuration, these configurations to the radar, we have to modify the CLI init function. So we just search for it inside the CLI.c. This is the init function. Here we can see that it's directly open the CLE. Here we can see that it's in this part. It will wait for the GUI configurations, and unless the GUI configurations are not here, it will not go further. So it will wait for the GUI configuration. So we are just going to bypass that. So in order for that, just we have to make some changes in here. So just we can already see um, advanced frame configuration is here, basic configuration is here, CLI sensor stop is here, and start also. So all these functions are already here. We don't need to write anymore. We just want to call these functions. So in order for that, we have to make some configurations in this init function. So just I'm commenting this part. If 0 commenting till here. And if. So this part won't work, and we have to add some more thing here. We just want to call that advanced configuration function and CLI sensor start function. So advanced configuration, yeah, here it is. We just copy that, come to the last part, and after this just paste that. Here we can see that arguments, this argument count. So along with that name of the function, first argument count along with the program name itself is passing in this. So we just not adding any arguments, just go for one, only the name of program itself. And here we just go for any dummy data. As we can see, this dummy is already configured here, already variable declared here, it's only for one. So go for dummy, then you have to start that sensor, so go for start function. Yeah, here it is. Like the same, we are also passing dummy, and just pass argument 2. Now we have to save this, Ctrl S. Yeah, that's all for now. Now if we run this binary, it will work alone without the GUI configuration. Let's see for that. So it's saved. Now again we have to rebuild this, rebuild DSS, then rebuild MSS. Just wait for that, it will take a little time. when I search for these hard coding configurations in YouTube, I don't see any much videos, so that's why I'm posting this. Yeah, the DSS build is finished now. I just go for MSS finish, rebuild the project. Yeah, now it's build is finished now. Now we have to flash this updated binary file into the hardware. So we just made the configuration again to SPO2. Just just put the jumper in SPO2, then power the device. So we just go for UniFlash again. Let's go UniFlash. It will automatically detect the device if it is connected. Then start. Go for utilities and set the components. It's QR port is setting here. Then go for the binary file. Just browse it in the same. We can see that in C our users in our workspace. Just go for our workspace. Then that MSS. Inside MSS debug. Then this binary file. Just open that. We can see that size is much bit lower than that. Then load the image. Now it will erase the image that is already configured in that hardware. Then load this image. We just wait for it. Okay, serial port. Recheck the COM port. We'll just power the device again. We have to check for the COM port here. Seven only. We just want to repower the device. That's all. Just load the image. Erase storage complete successfully. Downloading. Now the program load completed successfully. Now we have to verify that data is coming or not. Just go for Doclight. It is easy for you. Just disconnect the device and change the SPO2 configuration into normal configuration, SPO0. Then repower the device. First, before that, we just want to do the configurations here. Now we just select the data port and the baud rate is 921600. That means 115200 into 8. That was 92100. Yes, okay. Okay. Yes. As we can see that data is coming continuously as it is detecting something. So we just stop here and check if the data is correct or not. So in order for that, we have to check for the magic word. So just find that magic word here. Magic word will be in little Indian format. So it will be like 002, 001, 004, 003, like that. Just find next. Yeah, we can see the magic word here from 2 to 7. Yeah, so data is coming successfully. Like this is the header file magic word, and up to 40 the header will be there, and after that the TLV will be there. So this is all for now, and it's not a big deal to hardcode this SRR demo, as it is already configured in that function itself. Hope you know very well. Hope you understand this video. Thank you.